All right.
Let's do this. Dude, we're saving time.
We are. Oh, shoot. Well, goodbye
That's good.
time. Did I not bonk you?
Yeah, you did, but it's fine.
Oh, okay. Dude, of course I bonk. I didn't bonk at all during
I
my
missed bomb
practice.
clip, so.
Dude, why is this different? I literally practiced this and it's different. This is ridiculous that I mess up on this. Like, I practiced that 10 minutes ago. Alright. You missed bomb clip, so that's how we know it's the run.
And can. Dude, me after hitting candles, clear my I'm done talking. Just like that. Dude, I swear it's like after I get cannonless, I have to clear my throat canonically. Get it canonically because like cannonless. Not a joke.
Not my greatest BOB, but... Dang. I think it's my camera angle that's messing me up on that. Shoot, that was an exit. That was supposed to be an exit castle. That sucks. That's a big one, too.
Okay. We're going over here.
Not at a great angle. It's alright. Alright, ship clip time.
Solved.
It's solved. Dang it, I bounced.
After wing cap, I'll probably head in.
Yeah, you're good to head in. I'm gonna start.
I'm in.
Hopefully it's okay that I skipped a coin. I think usually we're one coin above.
Yeah.
So I guess I don't know how many coins you grab on like the thin walking platforms.
I grabbed them.
Okay.
Locked in. Thank you.
Alright, I'm out. Shoot. Wait. Oh, okay, I can get Jetstream on this. That's probably not faster. I
Why
can't
am I
get Jetstream on this.
Wait, hold on. I'm short 3 coins.
I'll rejoin.
I don't even know what we're missing. Did you grab the 3 at the start?
No, I didn't.
Grab those. Can I leave?
Yeah, you're good to leave.
Okay.
Sorry about that.
$13.0. 13.0.
Let's go.
Fastest time ever.
Alright, so JRB, kinda slow.
Classic 14.6. Alright, headed to Dark World.
Alright.
So you will probably have time for CCM stars if I had to guess. But it's your call.
Yeah, I'll probably head over there. Opening it now.
Just the Bowser throw left.
Okay. I'll exit to
You can,
BOB.
yeah, you can go to BOB. Classic.
Actually, what am I doing? I'm actually going to prefer not doing Island Hop on this first one.
Shoot. Why is there a what?
What happened?
Freaking balls here.
Are they usually not?
No. Maybe it's because you were so close. I don't know. Weird. Don't really care. It's fine. So what's left in CCM that I can get? Or are we going to be able to start 100, you think?
Wall kicks is the only one I didn't do.
Okay. Well, I think I'm just going to start 100.
Okay. Yeah, Exit Castle.
Six left. Four left. Two left. All you.
All right. Shoot, I'm one short.
Okay, I'm coming back in. Not sure what to grab. There might be coins down here. I guess I'll get this guy.
Dang it, I unpaused too early. Don't hit me. Of course it hit me. This is stupid. Dude, am I able to... I lost the head. That's so stupid.
Downstairs.
Just actual RNG on where you end up. What do you mean? Where's the head? Oh, because you entered. It wasn't reset.
Sorry, I had to go for low kicks for work the second time. Because I had to grab the coin the first time.
Yeah, sorry. I just lost to RNG on where I was gonna land by the head, and I messed it up. Unfortunate.
Make sure to split.
Mm-hmm.
Tell me what it is.
Plus 28.
Okay.
Not horrible, considering.
Thought it was way worse.
I know.
I can hear you swimming.
Hey, Kratos. Thank you for the good luck.
Oh, oh my goodness. Dude, I just clutched up.
Oh my gosh.
Oh. Okay.
Messed up on what platform I was doing that on.
Jeez. I freaking... Oh, dude, I'm good. I don't have time to explain. It's too confusing.
Dang it,
Nice Siglemic.
Thank you.
Dude, I was like riding the platform down, right? I long jump across and just grab the star. Freaking he doesn't jump. The platform's getting lower. I'm like, alright. Alright, I'm doing, Big Boy.
Okay.
Actually, no. I'm doing Reds.
Whatever you do,
Yeah,
I'm starting.
Yeah. That's why I'm doing Reds now. 'Cause I saw where you were.
I'm on star 2.
Yep.
Yo, we got the
Right.
kick. Let's go. And I fell! That's great! I was not that far to the side. There's no reason that should have killed me. I didn't even do the right strat. Why are there tornadoes? And it caught me! Star 2. You know, the star that tornadoes don't exist on. It caught me again! Love the true combo. Really is great. At least I didn't get hit by fire, which is probably just as much of a time save. I'll grab the 5-pack.
Okay.
Go, you can do it, Mario. Okay, good.
Dude, grab him.
Alright, I'm in.
Shoot. Wait, it's... Okay, no, you're good, you're good.
Okay. Yeah, I looked up and I was like, oh, those are the last 5 you've got.
No, I just want... Yeah. Okay. Alright, I can do something else.
Didn't know if that would count. Where... Sir? Are you kidding me? It's attacking.
Headed agency.
Okay.
I'm not grabbing Toad or anything. Worry about it later.
Yeah, we'll do Toad after. Dang it. Keep unpausing too early.
Glad I chose the Simply method because, whew! The way I hold controllers just... my armpits, man.
Hey, I get it. I keep them tucked in tight, too. Alright, I remembered the route.
Okay, so I don't need the 5 then, right?
Yeah, I'll get them.
Alright, I'm about to be out.
Okay, you're good. Perfect, it's got enough.
Go. Classic switch hit. Getting better at that.
Just a little fire burning. Alright, go.
Shoddy fire.
Where's the... It's up here.
Alright, I've just got floating island left.
Okay. What's left in, LOL?
Big bully. Hold on.
Did you already do little?
Yeah.
Okay.
Bully and I'm grabbing Toad Mips because you've still got your.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's just metal.
Wait, isn't Swimming Beast in the cavern also there? Did you just get it?
Huh?
Did you get Swimming Beast in the cavern?
Yeah, that's my second star. I exit
Okay.
in hundreds on that.
Okay.
Didn't even mean to hit the switch. I was gonna go for a fast cycle, but I don't even get the chance now. Alright, I'm coming over.
You need to do. Somebody needs to do wing cap.
Okay.
So
Did you already grab Mips?
Yeah.
Shoot.
Should have done that, I guess. If I had more time. I'll do it.
Okay.
It's unfortunate. Like, classic. Go. Oh my god. Gotta be choking!
What broke it?
What a terrible camera it gave me there. I've never seen that before. freaking wall.
Alright, I'm heading to DDD.
Alright. Gonna have to do something long because I'm not gonna be there for a long time.
Okay. I'll go for Vanish.
Pick me up! This eye has been making me so mad.
Actually, I'll go for Jetstream.
The exit to cancel.
Of course! Of course. Dude, I didn't even touch the ground and it was ready to push me out. Alright.
Here we go.
There's no way I unpaused too early. Game's making things up. Surprised that shark didn't hit me.
Of course. That I missed? Okay.
Alright, I'm going to BBH.
Okay. Wow. That seems really early. Alright, I'm at Fire Sea now.
Alright.
Mamma mia!
Geez. I've only got one left. And it's books.
My monitor just went black. Okay, we're back. What the f- I guess, like, that, you know what I mean? I was just like, that. I knew it was gonna be like this. I don't know what caused it to be like this, because I didn't really make any big mistakes, but whatever.
Yeah, like, that was a decent DDD. 100. So I'm gonna start 100. Since that's really the only thing I can do.
Just hope I can get there in time. Thank you, Cletus. I don't know how long ago that was, but
That was, like 15 minutes ago.
very nice. Thank you, Cletus.
Cool. Eyeball can't see me. I think Platos was last streaming Triangle Strategy. It's just finished Octopath Traveler, I think 1 and 2.
Yeah, no.
What all's left for Reds at that point? Because I'm like.
I'll get him fast. I'll get him fast.
Oh,
I think
okay.
there's only like, I don't know, 2, 3 or something. I don't know. See me.
Mamma mia!
Thank you. By the time you get in, I'll have it. Might get the animation. Okay. No.
Alright, I'm heading to up. I'm
Okay.
gonna grab top of the island first. Or top of the mountain. What is it? Top of the town?
Okay, so you're grabbing it.
Yeah.
That's a good idea.
Hopefully I'm at the right level. Okay.
All right, you can split.
Alright.
Mamma mia!
Minus 15.
Unreal.
Mamma mia!
Well, I mean, I guess that means we saved a minute.
Wait. Saved
Well,
him in
minute
the
and a
last
half.
one, I guess.
Please tell me that grabs.
Mamma mia!
Are you kidding me? Didn't get the menu. Star 3, which should be the automatic join. Though you may need to wait I mean, okay. Yeah, hold on. Just a little
Yeah,
bit.
I'm watching.
Alright, you're good. I'm glad there's like a screen flicker when I transition zones.
Yeah.
Sure, I'm up on the box. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Slowest reds of my life. Sure, just get to the 8th red coin. Oh my goodness.
So I have nothing left then. I'm out.
Okay.
Good call.
Do secrets because I've still got Vanish.
Gotcha.
Mamma mia! Hegel!
Like secrets. I can do top of the island too.
Okay. Alright, I'm gonna be coming in.
Mamma mia!
Yep.
Hegel!
Sure,
Arguments
Mark.
out.
Okay.
To left. Okay, I'm headed to TTM.
Alright.
Here we go! Mamma mia! Hegel!
That works. That works. I don't trust it.
Mamma mia!
Why? Every run. Every freaking run I mess this up one time. It's so frustrating that he just doesn't get in there. I hate messing this up every run. I practice it and I never mess it up. Literally practiced it earlier. I missed it again. Okay, so it's not possible anymore is what I'm freaking gathering. So stupid. Mario. Mario! Gosh, did I sound like that?
Oh my goodness.
A waste. Is that your last star?
Yeah.
No. Okay. Should I start 100?
Yeah, you're good to start 100.
Mamma mia!
I could have got a whole other star in that time.
Hego!
Alright, sure. Come on, Mario. What are you... Mario, come on! Like, get up there! If only practice went, like, runs.
Yeah, I don't need to grab any. That never.
Here we go!
Cool. Punch through the monkey.
I'm gonna grab Slide Star.
Okay. I'll probably want you grabbing Toad as well.
Yeah, that's fine. Screw off with this, man! I hate Slide Star, dude. I think this makes me so mad because it never works. You just always miss. And I got the
Oh,
Star
you
Spawn
joined
animation
on
'cause I
me.
suck.
Yeah.
Well, I always join on you out of safety.
There's no reason to join on me on TTM. There's no.
You will die. You'll do
There's
something stupid
There's
and die.
no way for me to die on TTM after Reds. I've got Toad, so we can both head to SL. Yeah, no, for Monkey Cage,
Do you
there.
want me to grab? Do you want me to grab box after I do 100?
No, we'll leave box.
Hego!
Really, no snow glitch. Mario, like, when I click punch, it'd be great if, like, a punch came out. Alright, I've got all mine. Coming back in and I'll do top.
Mamma mia! Hego!
Excuse me? Don't even know what happened there. He just didn't do what I clicked. Alright.
Alright, TTC 100.
Yep.
Mamma mia!
Oh, he's bonk exiting this room. Make sure to split.
Mm-hmm.
Time.
Minus a minute.
Hey, go!
Ugh, that's scary.
Are you kidding me? I wasn't even near the star. Why did he grab it?
It's good.
I have to wait through a 50 star collection thing, and then I have to wait for the hand to be in the right place. That's annoying.
Hey, go!
Alright, I'm back in.
Okay. And I'm out.
We're fine. Please don't fall all the way. Okay, good.
Here we go!
One.
Nice.
Mia!
Gonna grab Toad and then come in.
Alright.
Here we go! Hey, go!
Two.
Let's go. I'm leaving the coin rings. I'm going straight to open the cannon. So you'll
Okay.
need to grab those.
Gotcha.
And don't forget to grab Chuck, yeah?
Yep, yep. Okay, thank you.
Yep.
I fell.
Dang it.
Why? Alright, I can get 100, I guess. Jesus. Never ever messed it up before. Only I wrong. Okay. Down 5, so I can just grab these 5.
Down the rings as well.
No, I got the rings.
Did you?
I got the only ring is on the.
No,
don't
the
worry, I got
spinning
it.
platforms. Those.
Oh, yeah, I'm
Okay.
grabbing them.
I'm making sure.
I don't get it. How do I do that? How is that possible?
Oh. Trying to do carpet tricks and almost missed the carpet.
You have enough? Yeah.
Yeah, I'm good.
Here we go!
Okay, that's so much.
Mamma mia.
Hegel.
Don't understand how I'm missing it now. Literally, I don't know what I'm doing wrong.
Cool. I didn't want to read the input. That's fine.
Get out of here, Lakitu!
Come on. This is frustrating. I should not be messing up the triple jump. Oh, side flip. Really? We're making our own inputs now. Dude, they implemented
Every time.
AI into Super Mario 64.
Every freaking time. Absolutely ridiculous. Oh. I don't know how much time save we have because I guess it's the star is completely. Dude. That's. I'm just.
Mamma mia.
I don't even know what to say.
Okay. We got one.
Hegel.
Okay, yeah,
Mamma mia.
okay, do you need me to grab anything?
No, I'm on the last one, so you're good to go to bits. Good thing I didn't long jump because I got a firstie.
Mamma mia.
Give me the red coin. Seriously. Jeez.
Mamma mia.
Good luck.
Thank you. You too.
Hegel.
Should have hit. I completely disagree.
Mamma mia. Hegel. Mamma mia. Hegel.
Alright, you're good.
Here we go.
Time. 55:49.
Dang.
Decent run.
Yeah, decent run. Minus 123 for Tippy.
Better one, and I just don't miss that one like it's or if yeah.
Still,
I miss that
yeah, yeah. Lobby, not the greatest. Plus me missing.
Okay, so
So what were we?
in DDD, I think I need you to grab.
I can't grab anything else
Why?
because Manta doesn't spawn. Manta's the only other, unless you
Well,
want me
sub.
grabbing sub.
That's why I was gonna say I want you grabbing sub because I can do fast mana, or at least I've been doing fast mana. Not to
Okay.
say that it'll work every time. Because plus that's a longer star and a shorter star, and that'll even us more out for BBH. Because BBH is like, yes, it's technically okay, but it's close, and I'm scared.
So the only thing with me grabbing sub is that your entrance for DDD will be slightly further back. Because that's what pushes it back, right?
We'll grab it last.
Well, yeah. And hopefully you'll be out by then. Or hopefully you'll be able to have re-entered for Manta by then.
Well, if I'm able to re-enter for Manta by the time you would be grabbing the last star, then Manta's the thing I do last, so
That's
then,
true.
I don't know, it's weird. I'm just like that it worked, but it's like scaring me.
Mm-hmm. It was definitely pushing it close because like you were entering BBH while I was starting Carousel. So like 15 seconds later and we would have been at a loss for time. But then I also slightly needed to wait for the red star spawn, which wasn't great. Why was I so far ahead? Oh, that probably wouldn't have happened if your Sheldon break in LLL.
No, that's true.
Because that's why
I
you were
also
so far
should.
behind.
I thought I would have enough time to grab Mips and.
No, I think you grabbing Mips was good. I think you shouldn't have grabbed Toad. Because you grabbing Mips there allows for both of us to exit the castle. You grabbing
I didn't
Toad
do
there.
it anyways. That's the thing. I
Yeah.
forgot to do it anyways because it's so muscle memory for me to just go grab it later.
That's
'Cause then
why
I'm near the door.
That's why I like for my practice I was going into all the stages I exited castle from and doing that star. And exiting the castle because I was like, I need to get this in my brain. And then I missed. I didn't do the one for BOB, which sucks.
To be fair,
'cause that's one of
going
the
and
longer
grabbing
ones.
Mips and then walking back to LLL and then exiting the castle may not be a time save. So it's
That's
like
true.
unless I need it as a buffer, which I thought I did, but I didn't.
Yeah.
It's just a bad call on my end.
Yeah, Metal ended up like it's one of those weird ones where it's like it's kind of long, but like at the same time it's not as long as you'd think.
Right. Okay.